If you've ever wanted to take your writing on the go, Google Docs allows you to be mobile and sync your work in progress across multiple devices. You can easily use your phone, a laptop, or even a Kindle Fire to write your book. With this cloud-based app, the sky is the limit for your writing. Before I get into showing you how to use offline mode in Google Docs, make sure you are using Google Chrome. This does not work if you are using Brave, even though it uses Google plugins. It doesn't work. It took me forever to figure that out, so just save yourself the trouble. And if you want to use offline mode, just make sure that you are using Google Chrome as your browser. I highly suggest getting a Bluetooth keyboard. If you are short on space, they have these cool ones that fold up like this. And mine is extra cool because right over here, this is a trackpad. So not only do I have a keyboard, but I actually have a portable mouse. If you are looking for a recommendation, I will be doing a video on this one that I purchased and I took with me to the Writers Conference in Las Vegas. I will be putting this on my channel soon, so stay tuned for that. So the quickest way to actually enable offline mode, it is extremely simple now. It used to be a little bit more difficult. So I completely removed Google Chrome from my computer. I uninstalled it to make sure that this is going to be a brand new way on my computer on how to do it. I just wanted to make sure I could test this out and troubleshoot it if I run into any problems. A quick tip, to open a new Google Doc, all you need to do is type in docs.new into your browser. I'm just going to name this offline test so I know that this is working across all of my devices. So I'm going to go up here to the cloud icon to see document status. And when I click on this, you'll see that it says this is not ready for offline use. This is super easy. Just hit turn on and confirm that you want to turn on offline access. And this will automatically enable it. And now if I go onto my phone where I have Google Docs, if I refresh my page, you'll see that my offline test has already appeared. This is super easy and simple. I did want to show you a secondary way in case this doesn't work for you. If you go into Google Drive, and if you go up here to the settings and get Drive for desktop, this is going to download Google Drives onto your computer, and this will automatically sync your files. You can also see up here, it says ready for offline mode. This is just confirming that everything is working. So my Kindle Fire, getting Google Docs on here is not really that difficult, but there is a little bit of a workaround, so I will add a video on how to actually do that. I'm just going to refresh my page here. The offline test has appeared at the top, and I'm going to go ahead and open this on my Kindle. I'm going to reload this so it will actually show that I am in here, and then I'm going to say, hello world, which if you are into coding, that is one of the first things you learn how to print in your program. So yay, it's working here. I personally like using a Kindle Fire as opposed to my screen, just because you get a little bit more real estate when you're in your Google Docs, and I just really like to see more of my writing. And since I'm usually bringing my Kindle Fire anyways, I might as well use it for more than one thing. If by chance you don't want to have a file available offline, maybe you have a lot of files and you don't want to keep sorting through a lot of them, all you need to do is go into Google Drive, right-click, and say Remove Offline Access. On your phone or on your Kindle Fire, it is just as easy to do this. Select the three dots next to the file. On your phone in Google Docs, if you're doing it in Google Drive, you just select this Available Offline. It's a little weird because it'll tell you it's no longer available, and when you click on the dots, it doesn't change the prompt. But if you actually go into the file itself, if you go up to the three dots, you can actually see that there is a toggle to make this available offline and online. So it makes it a little bit easier to understand what is actually happening. They might change this in the future, but that's currently what it is looking like right now. Where is your favorite place to write your book? Are you somebody who likes to work at a coffee shop? Have you written on a plane before? That's really it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and keep writing wherever you are. Hopefully this makes things a little bit easier. and I will see you guys all again in the next video. Bye!